the Sugarville Shane's Homestyle cooking. Tonight, we're going to be using the air fryer, and we're going to make a quick, simple dinner. I don't have a lot of time, but I want to be efficient and eat something good. Don't want to order out. So I have some potatoes here that have been cleaned and washed. I'm leaving the skins on, and we're kind of just going to make an appetizer with these. So we're going to be slicing those up into 1/4 inch slices. And we'll place them in the water right away, so potatoes have a lot of carbohydrates, sugars, and they tend to brown real quick. So we'll just place them in some water so that helps that process. So tonight, what I'm gonna do is just like I said, I'm trying to do things quick. I'm gonna put a little olive oil on these sliced potatoes that are about 1/4 inch thick. And I guess I'm living on the edge tonight. I'm just gonna keep it simple. I'm gonna put some salt, lick steak seasoning on these potatoes. Since we're eating steak anyways. Just a little season me up here. Just mix these around. Seasoning going on. Probably that was about a teaspoon I put in. Probably could use a tablespoon. All right, so we'll grab these, kind of start placing them out on our air fryer rack. Place them out evenly so they cook evenly. But this is something, a quick, easy meal that we can do with potatoes. A lot of us don't have time. We're living, running, working. All right, that one looks pretty full. So we'll take this one, put this there. And we're gonna do a little something special after these roast a little bit. Like I said, it's gonna be kind of like an appetizer, but it's gonna be with dinner because we'll place this in here. And this is a Chefman air fryer. I'm gonna hit French fries, 20 minutes, cook 400. I'll check it in 10, maybe flip them, and they should be ready to roll by then. And then I'm gonna take whatever's left over here, and we've got some prime rib cuts that we're gonna flavor up and be cooking in the air fryer as well. Okay, so we'll be back. Thank you. Okay, well, welcome back. We've got some potatoes air frying in the air fryer. So I'm gonna go ahead and season up these, and now I'm just gonna add some Sugarville Shane's Frito in here. Kind of marinate these up a little bit. 3 scoops should do it. Just gonna toss this around a little bit, and actually, I'm gonna add some more salt lick steak seasoning. Give it a shot, or 2 or 3. There we go. And we're just gonna mix this around. So now we got these steaks marinating. We're gonna put these to the side, let the potatoes cook. Okay, so I've let these potatoes cook on one side for 10 minutes. And so I'm gonna pull them out, flip them. Okay, so now that I've got these flipped, I'm going to add a slice of cheese. I got a pan on the bottom of this because, of course, we're going to have some drippings. Let's put this back in the air fryer. repeat. Bacon bits. Then at the end, you can add your sour cream, or chives, or onions, or whatever you want. Add this back in here, and we'll do another 10 minutes. And that should be ready to roll. Close it up, hit it. There we go. We'll be back shortly. Thank you. Okay, so we got our racks cleaned up. Cleaned out the air fryer from our potato mess, which is here. So I've got these ribeye steaks, button, set for meat, 400 time. We're gonna put, all right, I'm gonna go ahead and put 12 minutes, just in case. Okay, so 12 minutes has gone by, and air fryer has done its thing. We're gonna open it up. Oh my lord. 12 minutes, gather you. And that's what we came out with. So we got some cheesy baked potatoes, prime rib cutlets. I'd like to thank you for hanging out with us. Come back and check us out. We'll be doing a lot more recipes as we go, hopefully. And I hope everybody stays safe and blessed. Peace out.